how to get rid of gallstones naturally. Hello, my name is Mario Vino with Dr. Eden's LLC in Miami, Florida. Many of you are suffering from gallstones and liver congestion. So in this episode, I will share with you how to eliminate gallbladder problems and liver congestion naturally and effectively without surgery. Most people are under the impression that there's only one gallbladder treatment option, and that is gallbladder removal. But despite being endorsed by most medical doctors, the question still remains. Is complete removal of the gallbladder really needed? Is there any danger, and is there a better alternative? If you are contemplating having gallbladder removal, you should know that up to 50% of gallbladder surgery patients have relapses of their original symptoms. This is according to medical studies. Some individuals actually experience the same or worse gallbladder symptoms that range from mild, ill-defined digestive symptoms to severe attacks of abdominal pain and jaundice, irritable bowel syndrome, gastritis, esophagitis, diarrhea, flatulence, upper abdominal pain, colicky lower abdominal pain, excessive weight gain or obesity, trouble digesting fats, and in some cases even weight loss. Some individuals are coming back to their medical doctors after their surgery complaining with the same gallbladder attack pain that they were experiencing before their surgery. And the response is always the same: it's your imagination. On the other hand, gallbladder surgery is a contributing factor in pancreatic cancer with up to a 70% risk factor. Are there any alternatives to gallbladder surgery? Gallstones and liver congestion can be dissolved. A gallstone is an aggregate of chemicals. And if chemicals can come together to form a gallstone, chemistry says they can be dissociated just the same. All you need is the right compound, preferably a natural one that can dissolve it without secondary reactions. The Pulverex protocol is a program that uses an innovative all-natural formula that dissolves cholesterol and calcified gallstones, sludge, in the gallbladder, liver, and common bile duct. Just one capsule is enough to stop the pain from a gallbladder attack and start dissolving it. It is fast, it is effective. For more information, do visit us at dreden.com. I thank you very much for your time.